Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about sugar snap peas, and I have a list of some suggested tips and ideas for using sugar snap peas, so hopefully this will help you out. This list was long. I broke it up into two parts. This is the part 2 video. The link to the part 1 video is below in the description box. Make sure that you watch both videos so you can get the entire list. Okay, why not add some sugar snap peas to orange stir-fried chicken over rice? Add sugar snap peas to a cold pasta salad. Try grilled sugar snap peas for something different. If you're cooking your sugar snap peas to help maintain their crispness, cook them only briefly. Don't overcook them. Slice sugar snap peas and add them to a vegetable pizza. Add sugar snap peas to a salad with strawberries, avocado, and walnuts, and serve it on a bed of mixed greens. Top with a little lemon honey vinaigrette, and that would go well. To freeze sugar snap peas, first blanch them by boiling them for about 1.5 minutes, and then place them in a bowl of ice water for 2 minutes. Drain them well, then transfer them to a tray and spread them out in a single layer. Freeze them and then transfer them to a freezer container or bag once they're solidly frozen. Use them within 8 months. Now, if a recipe calls for sugar snap peas and you don't have any or don't have enough on hand, you could use an equal amount of snow peas instead. But note that the snow peas will not have the sweetness nor the crunch that you would get from using sugar snap peas. English or green peas may also be substituted for sugar snap peas, but you really want to know that you do not eat the pods of regular green peas. They are not edible. I do hope this helps you out. Take care and bye for now.